Okay, so we are here at Coinstar with our lucky coins.
I found a Chuck
What did
E.
you
Cheese
find?
token.
Wonder how much that's worth.
Circa 2006.
Oh wow, that's old. We all know where it went. It's on the back of your hand.
Check your pocket.
I don't have pockets.
It's behind your ear.
Good one, Rox.
Yep.
Okay, so how much do you guys think is inside this huge pickle jar? Look at the coins. They're mainly quarters.
You got a jar opener?
You can do it.
I can do it.
It's your lucky. It's your lucky
I
day.
think there's $1.37.
I'm gonna say that there's $283.
$156.14.
Oh, going to get specific. 180. What did I say? $283.22.
Oh, it smells like pickles.
I washed the pickle jar with soap and water, but
It's broken.
what? I don't understand what it says. Economina.
Screen to begin.
Oh, get cash.
11.9%.
That's stupid. Yeah, that's why my dad made us like roll them all the time. Okay, let's see. We're at 44 cents. We're at 224. See, folks, I told you it's mainly quarters.
Little red coin from 1982.
Oh, screw it.
I've had that for as long as I know you.
You have here, hand it back.
It just went down the drain.
I'm sorry. Paint another red coin.
It was special to me.
Why?
We found it on the bed of the first hotel that we stayed in.
What?
The first hotel that we stayed in.
Oh, really? Well, I never knew that. I didn't even
Went
know.
down the drain like it didn't matter.
Well, you never told me that story. I'm saying it's going to be $283
You do.
even. I guess I'm going to go with even. Come on, baby, go. I feel like I'm at Vegas. Woo!
I was right, you're wrong.
No, dude, that's a lot of quarters left. Look at that. And it's still like a quarter of the way full. We're at $100. You said $150.
Yep.
There's no way. It's going to be closer to $2.
Close this without going over, right?
Closest without going over.
The price is wrong.
Right?
There's airplane coins in here.
There's airplane coins.
Like our special like platinum coins.
Oh, God. Whoops. I just stuck whatever coins I could find in this stupid thing for this video.
All our collector coins. Goodbye.
I wanted to get a lot of coins. I've been wanting to do this for a while. This has been on my video
time we tried to do
bucket
it,
list.
a friend
It's
of
a
ours-
button.
A button. There's a button.
Maybe it's worth something.
A friend of ours stole our coins.
Yes, never let a drug addict in your house. They stole my coins for my Coinstar video. We had like a treasure chest full, folks.
I like the buried treasure.
Right? 304 quarters. Look at it go.
I jammed it up.
It's jammed. Oh my goodness.
Broke it.
We had a $50.
We have a car. It's like that coin muncher at Chuck E. Cheese.
What?
Kind of like that coin muncher at Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah, I know. This is really fun.
You want to do some?
No, I don't. I don't want my hands to smell like pickles. That's all on you.
Restroom before you.
Right? I gotta use the restroom. Got any soap that doesn't smell like pickles? Ma, you have a lot of coins. Please wait while we catch up. You broke it. You broke Coinstar. Holy moly. We have like 1,000 quarters. I told y'all it's been a lot of quarters. I've been paying with cash with everything for like a year to save this.
Broke it.
I still have a dog poop bag full of coins. What'd you say? 150 something? I said 283. Oh, it's empty. Oh my God, you're gonna be right. I suck. You win. You're gonna win. Unless it goes over, right? If it goes over, you lose. You bust. You have to hope. Go over. Go over.
Oh, it's like $156.15.
Right? You said 13.
I said 14.
14, okay. Dang, you're close though. You're good.
I have an IEP.
You have an IEP. You're special.
Just from one look. And wait.
What?
Just from one look and the wait.
Yeah.
Plus I counted all the quarters.
You counted them?
Just the quarters.
You cheater! He counted them. He separated them and I remember he did that and he put them in his Firebird. You.
But we've added a ton to it since then too. I'm just guessing.
That's cheating though.
But not all this other shit.
You OCD bastard pulled out all the quarters and counted them. You're gonna bust. You're gonna bust. What did you say? 156.14, right? Or 153.14?
I said 100.
Yeah, you're busting. I'm still closest. I still win.
No. Okay, we're done right here.
Yeah, you're done right there. Just leave that.
These are all foreign coins.
I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. Here you go. Give my reaction video. I just won.
No,
You busted.
stop.
You busted.
Okay, these are all foreign coins. No.
I won. You busted.
No, I said 176.
Yeah, right.
Or 66.
Nipple twist. You gotta get a nipple twist. I'm the winner. I am the winner.
Way overestimated.
I said 283. I still won. The price is right. You busted. It's not going to take the Chuck E. Cheese coin.
You don't know that yet.
I won.
I'm so damn close. That's not right.
Oh my goodness. A year in the making. There it goes. I won.
Do you want me to hold the camera for you?
It's okay. I'm just watching it go.
Stand next to
Look
it.
all the coins. No, look all the coins I dropped too.
Crap.
Look, and they're like
Put that back in the
dropping on the floor. Look at it's like I can't count them. They're all quarters.
crap. They're fake.
There's like $20 worth of quarters.
The balloons.
Well, I don't think it's gonna take this. This is like the Queen Victoria dollar. It's from Canada. It's not gonna take the Chuck E. Cheese coin or a Canada dollar. Let's see. Or another like Chuck E. Cheese coin. Why do you have so many Chuck E. Cheese coins,
I
sir?
like to play it. Chuck E. Cheese. My days off. That's so wrong.
Now my hand smells like pickle. Ah!
That's rotten pickle.
It is.
That's a lot of Chuck E. Cheese coins.
170.
You can play like a whole game.
It's still dropping them.
Oh, so close.
Dude, for the winter time, my dad used to get like these like water jugs. I don't
Okay,
see
these
one in
are-
Walmart.
Whoa. Is that a parrot coin?
What is that?
It's got like a parrot sword on it.
Jetty. Where the heck is this from?
No, I'm keeping it. It looks like a parrot coin.
What is this? What
Is it
country
a
is this
doubloon?
from? Do you know what country the state of Quatar? Where's Qatar?
Quatar?
Q-A-T-A-R. Qatar?
This is an ancient parrot coin.
Or these are Chuck E. Cheese
It's a
coins.
palm tree.
We got a bunch of
sailboat.
Canadian.
And two
Yeah,
swords.
that's a cool coin.
You can run that someday.
What's this?
It's probably worth a lot.
Yeah, right. Oh, it stinks like fish.
Smell my hand.
Ah,
Smell the jar.
no, I'm done.
Did you just say smell the jar?
The
Yeah.
jar.
Oh Lord, I
It stinks.
bag all day. Smell the jar.
Right?
You don't understand.
Sign
These are
in.
pickled coins.
Lily's sizzling. I don't know.
Are you looking for Chuck E. Cheese coins for pickled?
If you need to email me about the smelling the jar, go ahead. LilySizzling@gmail.com with my rotten pickle jar. Okay. Is it still counting?
No, it's just
Thank you. See you next time. A year in the making. I won the coin
minute,
challenge.
you
You lost.
they didn't give us the cash.
What? Cash. Oh, coin total 195. It took 20 bucks out of that, dude. So I was close. I was like less than $100 away. Here, bow to me. Bow.
I was close, but it went
You went over by like 40, 50 bucks almost. You busted. You lost. Sorry. You lost.
I was counting the percentage taken out of it too.
I won the coin challenge.